Give me 10 healthy diet plan. Welcome to a world of health and wellness. Let's dive into 10 healthy diet plans, tailor-made for you. Looking to drop pounds? The Weight Watchers diet might be your cup of tea. It's all about portion control and balanced meals. First up, the Mediterranean diet. Abundant in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, it's heart-healthy and delicious. Ever heard of the DASH diet? It's all about lowering blood pressure through diet, while enjoying wholesome food. For the carb-conscious, the low glycemic diet is a great option. It focuses on foods that slowly release energy. Love your veggies? The vegetarian diet is a powerhouse of nutrition, minus the meat. Lastly, the flexitarian diet. It's about flexibility and balance, a perfect blend of plant-based and animal products. In a nutshell, it's about finding a diet that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. Choose wisely and eat well.